3mm hex tool, unscrew the 4 screws on the controller box. Remove the cover. Controller 1 on the left and controller 2 on the right. Look for the black 4-pin SMT connector on each controller. You will be needing these. Connect the 2 wires from the Reflash kit together. Connect the end of both ends together to the controller on the left first. Plug in the USB cable to your computer. Turn on the scooter. Make sure it is elevated off the ground. Use the link given in the instructional PDF file. There will be 3 files available. Open the file named Daytona Reflashing Kit.rar. Download the compressed file onto your computer. Go to your download folder and double-click on the compressed file. Create a folder on your desktop and extract the 4 files into that folder. Look for the folder on your desktop. Open the file named Motor ETS. Make sure your USB cable is connected to the controller and computer and the scooter is turned on. Click on Program and then Bootloader. Click on Open. The words beside it will turn green. Tick on the box in the center. Click to choose the file needed for each controller. 1 not mod for the controller on the left, and click OK. Then click here to run the process. Let the process run for a while. It will come to a stop fully. Then the reflash is completed. Click Open again and let the words turn green again. Close the program. At this point of time, keep your scooter on still. Unplug the connector from the controller and plug into the next controller on the right. Open the reflashing program again. Motor ETS. Repeat the same process again for the controller on the right. This time use the file 2 not meant for the controller on the right. After the reflashing of both controllers, the LED at the top will be flashing red. Now you need to restart the scooter again by turning it off and on again. After doing so, the LED will become green. Then tuck the wires neatly and cover back the cover. Tighten back the 4 screws, and we are good to go.